Welcome to our channel, dear viewers. Today, we will explore a powerful ritual aimed at cleansing negative energy and repaying those who stood at your door, cursed you, and sought to hinder your path. This ritual, rightfully performed, will not only help you rid yourself of the heavy burden of negativity but also return energy to those who tried to impede your progress. Let's get started. It's often said that words possess a special power, especially when it comes to magic. Words are not just sounds, they carry energy. Let's learn how to properly charge our words with positive energy, making them an integral part of the magical process. Not only the meaning of words matters, but also their pronunciation. Let's acknowledge the fact that our environment and internal energy influence our lives. We often encounter obstacles, negativity, and envy. This ritual, rightfully performed, allows us to change this path, attracting favorable forces. There is nothing more appealing to positive forces than the purity of the heart and soul. Before starting the ritual, make sure you are in a quiet and secluded place. Light candles, creating an atmosphere of protection and light. Assume a comfortable position and focus on your breath, clearing your mind of extraneous thoughts. During the ritual, recite the spell with deep confidence and intention. Wind, who poured malice upon me, who cursed me from behind, threw stones, blocked my paths, harmed me and created mischief against me, receive it back threefold, so be it. Take 8 slow breaths in and out. Wind, with you, I conclude. My words sever your power. So be it. Repeat the phrase 3 times, each time affirmatively and strongly. After reciting the spell, feel how the negative energy leaves your body and the space around you. Be open to the changes that may occur in your life after this ritual. The ritual, rightfully performed, is not just words, it is an energetic act that changes your perception and attracts positive transformations. Repeat it when you feel a flow of negative energy, and remember that every step forward is your merit. We have explored the mysterious world of rightfully performed rituals, and now you are equipped with the knowledge to transform your life. Remember that this magic is not just a way to change fate but also a tool to strengthen the spirit and create harmony around. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for new discoveries. Until our next meeting on our channel.